I'm going to ask you about how you learned English. Please share with us about how you became fluent in English. Where are you from?
I'm from Austria,
What's your
actually.
first language?
My first language is German.
Are you fluent in English?
Yes, I would say I'm more comfortable in English by now than in German.
How did you learn English?
We start in school when we're young, but I had an English teacher who was more of an acting teacher. She was from LA and she basically she taught me the American accent and everything when I was like 13, so
Did you read a lot of books?
I did, but I mostly watched shows to learn.
What kind of shows did you watch?
Like Disney Channel shows?
Did you study a lot of grammar?
I mean, of course, but I mostly immersed myself in the language by watching stuff.
Do you have a lot of foreign friends?
I do.
And do you consider yourself fluent?
Yes, I consider myself bilingual at this point.
All right, thank you for sharing.
Thank you.